In this video, I'll show you how to rename a Discord test channel. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, let's say you created a Discord channel, right? And you want to change the name, right? Like you don't really like the name. What we're gonna do now, I want to use this mini announcement for example. I'm gonna click on this edit channel, right? You can see the channel name here. You can go back. I can put it to be, let's say it can be, okay, let me say giveaways, right? Giveaways, or let me say, okay, education, right? Yeah, so let's do good things. So education, so you can see I basically just renamed this Discord test channel from the mini announcement channel to the education channel. I'm gonna click on my save changes. Once I've clicked on it, you're gonna wait for it to load up, right? So this is what I mean. So yeah, it's ready. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.